Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and this is Credit 101. We are doing episode 22. And with this episode, we're talking about the Experian Automotive. Now, with this, all this is it's just showing, how many people get loans depending on which credit score they have. So, if you guys were to look at this report, we're going to check out the website. But if you guys were to look at it, about 20% of people that get auto loans have a credit score over 781. 40% of the people have a credit score between 661 and 780. 20% have a credit score between 601 and 660. About 17% have a credit score between 501 and 600. And about 3% have a credit score below 500. Now, this is a website where you can actually check it out and look at what it is. But a lot of people don't understand that it's a lot of companies that get data from us, and we don't understand what data that they want, what they're going to look for. But this is something for a lot of companies to go ahead and purchase and to look at. So that's why I want to show you guys this, just so that you guys can be aware of the different type of companies that want these type of reports. So here is their website here. So here is their website. So this is the Experian Automotive report. As you can see, they're basically going to be marketing to dealers, auto loan lenders. So this is what people in those type of industries are going to look at. They want to know vehicle history, vehicle market statistics, also credit services. So this is just another website, like I said, that companies are looking at. You can see a few articles. So if you guys are in this market, or if you're having problems, maybe you want to find out, is there anything that's on these special reports that could be stopping you from getting a certain type of loan. So definitely go ahead and check out that website. We're going to get into episode 23. That's our episode that we're in. And with episode 23, we're going to talk about how you guys can get your credit score for free. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'll see you guys there.